details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and activities, etc. Category 2. Category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. Category 8. Room category 9. Next we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is good and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. And categories of rooms are available on 7 days and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various rate plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check description below. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking or renting this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe.